What's the meaning of clown? Clown. Clown.
Clown. Clown. A clown is a comic performer who uses physical humor, slapstick comedy, and other techniques to entertain audiences. They typically wear bright colors, exaggerated costumes, and makeup such as face paint or a red nose. The role of a clown varies from culture to culture, but they are generally associated with comedy, silliness, and exaggerated behavior. However, in some contexts, clowns may also be associated with fear or horror. The term clown can also be used metaphorically to describe someone who behaves foolishly or acts as a buffoon.